adventures, and we just bought ourselves E-Z-Link cards to take the Kending streetcar. The streetcar is extremely inefficient, with one bus coming every 30 minutes, which I think is like, oh my gosh, this is so not tourist friendly. But yeah, I mean, what to do? So, and also we wanted to go and see the caves and stuff, but we need to like trek for 40 minutes, which is kind of crazy. And the sun is like extremely hot, and that's why Mei Hui and Cheryl are both wearing pants. So okay, I hope the bus comes soon, but at least quite windy here. So yeah, bye. Oh look, we are now walking on this rocky path, and what's in front of us is throngs of tourists. Oh, more souvenir shops, but look at how blue the sky is. Oh wow, and the highlight, the Old Luanbi Lighthouse. The highlight. Oh my gosh, that is very punny. But look at how nice the ocean is. Wow, so vast and blue. Woohoo! It's so hot that we have to carry an umbrella around, and Mei Hui is even wearing a shawl. Okay then. Oh look, it's the lighthouse. Woohoo! And the nice broad sea behind us. Yay! Okay. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Cannot. Again. I was talking weirdly. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Woo! That was that. Can we do again? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Yeah, I did the Chinese dance thing. Hi, we are now at the southernmost point of Taiwan. Yes, we are. Yes. Because here is the sea, so clearly it's the southernmost point.
No, because we're at Tainan.
We're at Kending, hello!
As in, Taiwan 的南边 is Tainan what?
Oh.
Okay.
Then.
So we're at the southernmost point of Taiwan.
But this is seriously the end, like that's the end. We're at the southernmost point. Oh, Cheryl killed a mosquito, check it out.
So brutal.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll continue on the seashore walk, which is here. Yay. What?
Oh, it forms a small limestone cave.
Check it out! We are at the narrow gorge. It's a creepy cave. 妹会别走啊 Cheryl! Anybody wants to go in to the antique cave? Oh my gosh! They are a small limestone cave. Ah, interesting. Hi Cheryl, how's your squid thingy? Yeah, that's right. It's actually mine, and I bought it like super last minute because I thought it looked really good. And I told her not to put chili, but she put chili. So hot. And then when it was ready, the bus came. I think she kind of like freaked out and put chili. Yeah, super yummy, but I just can't take spicy food, so. Hi Mei Hui.
Hi.
Where are we going?
We're going to Hengchuan for dinner and I guess to explore as well.
Okay. So exciting. I can't wait to go there. We were actually supposed to watch the sunset, but sadly the buses here are inefficient. Already been
watch the sunset, but sadly.
Sadly, we can't watch the sunset. Oh my god, it's so spicy. Okay, bye. Hey, we have just arrived in Hengchuan, which is another small little city, and we're at Hengchuan Temple Children's Park. So there are lots of figures of cute children like this naked boy here, and lots of others. Yeah, it's fun. It looks awesome. So looking forward to dinner at Hengchuan later. Our eyes are currently peeled over there because we are waiting for the 9 o'clock bus back to Kending. And now we're in Hengchuan. We just had a really delicious dinner and dessert. Yum yum yum. So, yeah. How's life so far?
I need to look there.
Oh, okay. Cheryl. Wow, our eyes are really peeled there. Okay, well, I think we're kind of tired after 3 days, long days. But I think time flies really fast because tomorrow we're gonna be in Taipei. And after that we'll be, you know, less moving around, more chillaxed.
More retail therapy.
Yes, definitely. I think we need retail therapy after being baked in the sun today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so hey, we are back in our hotel room and here we have our fried Oreos and also fried Twix and fried Mars. Oh, check it out. We've left our water in the bus. Such geniuses. And we met like quite a buff, cute guy at the fried Oreo place.
And sit back in shine.
Who uses his buff hands to fry Oreos?
I know what a great use that. Okay, so I hope the fried Oreos are nice. Especially the fried chocolate. This is like one whole bag full of calories and fats. Cheryl is now unwrapping it. Revealing. Oh, just now we come to the conclusion that 什么东西都可以炸的. That's why we have this. Ta-da! Okay, Cheryl, take the first bite.
No, I'm gonna lay out the food.
Okay,
You can do it.
Cheryl has laid out the Oreo. So we have chocolate Oreo, vanilla Oreo, normal Oreo, double chocolate Oreo, and here is Twix and Mars bars. Cheryl is going to take the first bite. Which flavor will she choose?
It's double
Chocolate.
Okay, I'll eat one bite and then the other bite.
Huh?
As in try both.
Okay.
Look, and then it's just mostly flour and like a tinge of Oreo flavor.
Mei Hui, try one. Choose your flavor.
Oh, but the aftertaste is quite nice.
I think maybe the golden Oreo.
Okay, golden Oreo.
It is this also, right?
Yes. Okay, Mei Hui is trying golden Oreo.
Very sweet. Quite nice.
Okay. Oh, my turn to try. Well, I'm traditional, so I will go with the Yuan Wei Oreo. Which is this one. Okay. Looks yummy. Oreo covered with flour. I quite like the flour. It's like a very nice kind of mixture, really. Then inside is like Oreo, but the biscuit is like all, you know, 脆掉. Not bad. Thumbs up.
For the buff guy. Okay.